To reconcile a WorldPay hosted payment page, start by understanding what reconciliation is and why it is necessary. Reconciliation is the process of matching the payments received through your WorldPay hosted payment page with the transactions recorded in your system. This ensures that all payments are accounted for and accurately reflected in your financial records. First, log into your WorldPay account and navigate to the Transaction Reporting section. Here, you can view a list of all transactions processed through your hosted payment page, including payments, refunds, and declined transactions. Next, review the transaction list to identify any discrepancies or errors. Check for transactions that are missing or have incorrect amounts, and verify that all payments are correctly matched with the corresponding orders or invoices in your system. To reconcile a specific transaction, click on the transaction details to view more information. Check the payment status, payment method, and amount to ensure that everything matches your records. If you find any discrepancies, investigate the cause and take corrective action as needed. Best practices for reconciling a WorldPay hosted payment page include regularly reviewing transaction reports, investigating any discrepancies promptly, and maintaining accurate and up-to-date records. It is also important to ensure that your system is properly integrated with WorldPay to prevent errors and discrepancies. Additionally, consider setting up automatic reconciliation reports to save time and reduce the risk of human error. WorldPay provides various reporting tools and APIs that can be used to automate the reconciliation process and improve the accuracy of your financial records. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively reconcile your WorldPay hosted payment page and ensure that your financial records are accurate and up to date. This helps to prevent errors, reduce the risk of fraud, and improve your overall financial management.